Oh, that's a red.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Oh.
Big boy. Want this pinfish?
Is that a live one? I just got one too.
Yes, sir.
We in them now.
What key do we want to keep these?
I guess if the bite gets slow later, we can.
That one's huge. Yeah, that's too big. Right there.
All right.
What the? What do you have on there?
Torque with the gulp.
All right, about to put that on.
Trout.
That worked like a charm.
Right away. Okay.
That's a good one too.
Oh yeah.
Barely hooked.
You need this?
You want to see my measuring tape? It's the J special. Crazy houses.
Do some math.
Damn. 17 inches. Four sips.
Yeah, on the far side. Dang, so we missed 2 big fish so far.
Yeah, I wonder what they were.
I don't know.
Probably just big ladyfish.
Probably. It didn't even sound like a red. Like I hit it as soon as it landed. Something's right about it. Yeah.
Trout. Don't lose that big. Don't lose that big.
You want me to flip him in?
No. Watch.
I think he's hooked good, but. Sir,
Oh my god. Right.
he's solid.
That bitch,
Probably keeper size.
that bitch jumped out of there.
Yeah, he did. I didn't expect that. Oh, he's peeing everywhere.
Oh.
Trout.
Really small. Yeah, baby trout.
Looks like I might get a video today. Oh my.
God. Dude, my bait landed. Did you see that?
That's what happened to me.
Oh,
The
it's
same exact thing.
big, dude. It's still. Come on.
You might need to throw behind it.
Yeah.
Throw
Yeah.
behind him. What are you throwing? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Just,
You in that?
Like, looked on the bottom side. Tarpon.
Yeah, I caught like a world record ladyfish on here last night.
Oh,
That might be a tarpon.
no. You mean net him?
No, it's good.
I'm about tying cork.
Yeah. No, that was not on my court. Holy Jesus.
I'm guessing ladyfish. Nope. I don't think think so. That is a trout, I think.
Huge blow up out there.
Little trout?
I can't tell. No. That was a, what is that?
Blue runner?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Oh, mackerel.
Mackerel. Okay, that's what it is. I never caught one of those.
That's what we saw jump, Seth.
Yeah.
Goodness, I've never seen their teeth in person.
Yeah, be careful.
How do you grab them? Just like
Yeah,
no-
you can grab them like that. The bottom's better. Grab them from the bottom.
They're weird.
Can you take that shirt?
Oh, I'm all the way over there. No, I'm not. It's gotta be red. My drag must be locked.
Watch you get
Yeah, it's
catfish.
gotta be.
Watch you get catfish.
Oh, I really hope it's not. It could be.
It's got that dope pull to it.
It's shaking its head too, so it probably is. No, that's a red.
Yeah?
Ooh, nice.
Oh!
I'll bring him around. Oh, we're good. Okay, I'll loop him around again.
Can't see him.
There you go. Yes, sir.
That a boy.
I don't even know if I have the camera going. But... First red. Hey, we got one on the board. I didn't expect to catch one on the popping cork.
Oh, there's popping corks are good.
Yes, sir.
That a boy?
How long do you think it is? 18?
Yeah.
It's probably right on,
You wanna pick?
I guess. I don't know. Last time at St. Mark's we had a good one.
That's good.
Yes, sir. First redfish. Second on the boat.